Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and whispering streams, lived a young girl named Lily. Lily loved to explore the world around her, but she had one problem. She couldn't speak English very well. One day, while wandering through the forest, Lily stumbled upon an old, dusty book hidden beneath a tangle of ivy. Curious, she opened it and was immediately enveloped in a shimmering light. Before she knew it, she was transported to a magical realm where words danced in the air and sentences sparkled like stars. In this enchanting land, Lily met a wise owl named Ali who offered to teach her the secrets of the English language. Together, they embarked on a journey filled with adventure and discovery. First, they ventured to the bustling marketplace where merchants bartered and traders haggled. Lily learned new words, like bargain and exchange, as well as the importance of communication in everyday life. Next, they visited the Grand Library, where shelves stretched towards the sky, laden with books of every shape and size. Here, Lily delved into the world of literature, immersing herself in tales of far-off lands and brave heroes. With each page she turned, her vocabulary grew richer and more vibrant. As they traveled through fields of wildflowers and climbed towering mountains, Lily encountered creatures of all shapes and sizes, each with their own unique language. From the chirping birds to the roaring lions, she listened intently, absorbing new words and phrases with every encounter. Finally, after many weeks of exploration, Lily and Ollie arrived back home, their hearts full of knowledge and their minds brimming with possibility. With her newfound language skills, Lily could now express herself with confidence and clarity. And so, armed with the power of words, Lily continued her adventures, knowing that wherever she went, she would always carry the magic of the English language with her.